It's Mr. Dino here, and you're in my English class. How are you today? It's good to hear that. Now, before we start our class, I want you to sing and do the action of the head, shoulders, knees, and toes. I will be doing the song. I will be singing right here. I will do some actions, but I want you to stand up and do the action at the same time singing the song. This time we don't have music. We will just be singing together. Slow at first or normal speed, and then the second time around we will do it fast. And 3, 2, 1, 0. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. This time we're gonna make it fast. And 3, 2, 1, go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay, good job. Now you can sit down. Remember 5 things. High five. 1, look. Number 2, listen. Number 3, be quiet. Number 4, hands on your lap. And number 5, sit down straight. For today's class, we are already Unit 3, Lesson 4, and we will be focusing on our grammar part of the lesson today. But before that, as you can see right here, Lesson 3, we've got new vocabulary right here. And also lesson number 4, we'll focus on the grammar and review of Lesson 3. To start with, before we go further, we will review or we will have a classwork checking of what you have done last time. Let's see if you've got all of them correctly. So this is the exact worksheet that you did last time. Number 1 to number 6, you need to label these parts right here and then circle the words in the puzzle. Okay, so the first one, eyebrow, is already right here. And number 2, we have, what is it? Hair. How do you spell hair? H-A-I-R, hair. Very good. And number 3, what is it? Or what are they? What are they? Eyes. That's correct. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Okay, that's correct. Eyes. What about these? What are they? That's correct. Ears. How do you spell ears? E-A-R-S. And let's go now to number 5. I'm showing here. What are they? They are teeth. How do you spell teeth? T-E-E-T-H. Very good. Teeth. Let's go to the next one. What is it? What is it? Chin. Okay, chin. C-H-I-N. Now, the next part we're gonna do, if all of these in your papers are correct, that's good job. And now let's gonna find out. First one, eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows right here. Next, number two, hair. Hair is right here. Number three, eyes. Eyes right here. Number four, ears. Ears right here. Going down, this is vertical. The rest, you can see they're horizontals. Number five, let's find out number five, teeth. There at the top, okay, at the top until letter H. And then number six, we have chin. So all are in horizontal position: teeth, chin, eyebrows, hair, eyes, except for the ears. It's vertical. Okay, so I hope all of you got it all correctly. And for our lesson today, we will begin by watching the video that we watched before in lesson number 3 regarding the dialogue about parts of the head.
Let's play Who Is It? Do you have brown hair and eyebrows?
Yes, I do.
You're Lucy. I have 4 legs, big ears, and a small chin. A rabbit?
A rabbit.
Yes, my turn. I don't have legs. I have big teeth.
Oh no! What's that?
I don't have arms. I have blue eyes.
Aha! Do you have long hair?
Yes, I do.
Phew!
Happy camp. Happy.
So that's all. Now let's look at the next part of our lesson. In this video, you've seen the game Guess. Okay, guessing who or what. They're talking about parts of the body like hair, the color. Okay. Now let's look at our next part. Oops. So we will read what they have in the conversation. Now look at here. It's a game. Who is it? Now I want you to read with me. Let's play. Okay, let's read together in 3, 2, 1. Let's play. Who is it? Do you have brown hair and eyebrows? Yes, I do. You're Lucy. I have 4 legs, big ears, and small chin. A rabbit? Yes, my turn. I don't have legs, but I have big teeth. The next part. Oh no, what's that? I don't have arms. I have eyes. I have blue eyes. Aha, do you have long hair? Yes, I do. So we've read all the vocabulary right here. We found something, and these are the vocabulary according to the dialogue. First one, what are they? What are they? Look at the picture. Eyes, very good. How do you spell eyes? E-Y-E-S, good job. Now the next one. What are they? Okay, what are they? Ears, very good. How do you spell ears? E-A-R-S. That's good job. Now let's look at the next picture. What is it? Hair. Good job. How do you spell hair? Hair. Okay. Now let's look at the next picture. What are they? Teeth. That's correct. How do you spell teeth? T-A, sorry, T-E-E-T-H. Good job. What about the next one? What are they? What are they? Eyebrows. That's correct. Eyebrows. Okay. Eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Eyebrows. What about the last one? What is it? Chin. Yes, chin. How do you spell chin? C-H-I-N. Okay, so these are our vocabulary for unit number 3, lesson 3 and 4. Now let's look at the grammar part. This grammar lesson will be asking and answering questions. Okay, asking and answering questions, the same as what we have seen in the video. Now let's look at the grammar pattern and learn from them. So in asking and answering questions, first, we have to learn the grammar pattern for the question. Here, do plus you plus have, do you have, and then article a or an for singular, then adjective, and then parts of the head. Adjective. So when we say adjective, it's about a few things. I'll say right here. Do you have, and then article a or an, and then adjective plus part of the head. Example here, one of the adjective is quantity. When we talk about quantity, it's number. Example number 1, 2, 3, all the number right there. We call them adjective of quantity. Now, next one right here, we talk about color. So whatever color is it, example, red, yellow, black, whatever color, brown, blue, yellow, red, whatever color before an object is an adjective. Example here, you can see, what is it? It's this one. Oops, you cannot see well because it's white. This one, what is it? It's an iPhone. What is the color? It's blue iPhone. So blue is the color and then the object. Next one would be size and length adjective. When we say size, we have small, big, medium, large, whatever size would that be. And then length will be short, long, short, long. So we have so much adjectives, but today we'll just focus on these 3 things right here. Quantity means we're saying number, color, size, and length. Okay, and then to start with, this is the question. You may ask, do you have, and then part of your body, do you have long hair, short hair, whatever, and the answer should be yes, I do, or you may say no, I don't. But to complete the answers, you would say yes, I do, I have an, and then adjective, and then part of the head or part of the body whatsoever. Same thing here, no, I don't, and then you say I have an, and then adjective. Now we will learn of this by giving some examples I'll be showing you. It's our guided practice, our class practice. So you have here the grammar structures at the top, and here the things below would be the example. Example here, we are talking about the girl. She has hair, black hair, right? So we'll talk about the hair. Now the question, do you have a yellow hair? So you can see here, yellow is an adjective of color. Do you have a yellow hair? What should be the answer? The answer should be, no, I don't. I have a black hair. Okay? So now you see the structure. Do you have a, same with the pattern right there, and then yellow adjective, and then part of the hair, head, and then answer would be similar pattern. Now another example, do you, what would be the question? It's about hair. Do you have a brown hair? Can you see that? What color? What is her hair color? The answer is yes, I do. You may include yes, I do, and then I have a brown hair, but the word yes, I do is already understood, so you may not put it. Now, here we have a practice of how to write correctly with the pattern that I have given you a while ago. So here we need to complete the grammar questions and answer to the question. Right here, number 1, do you have a brown hair? The answer is yes, I do. And then here, another answer. So we need to complete them. If you don't see any question mark at the end, it means to say that it's an answer to the question. So how do we complete number 2? Can anybody help me guess? We have to choose the words from the box right here at the top. Some words may be used more than one time, maybe 2 or 3. Now let's look at here. According to the conversation on the video, the boy mentions that I blank legs. Can you remember that? Yes, I don't. Okay, the word don't here is deleted from this part right here and put here in the box. I don't. Okay, I don't. So what's the next? I don't. Yes, have. I don't have. So I encircle the have here because this word can be used more than once. So box, red box, I have, and then have here. I don't have legs. Okay. And then the number 3, I blank big teeth. So what to say? There are choices here, do, have, you, do. So which word do you think would be fitting here? Right. I have. So I have another here. You see the box, the orange box? Yes, I have, and then have again here. I have big teeth. Now here, so you can see a question mark here before the 5 possible words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we have to do here? Now remember, a question, if it is a question, start with a big letter. So as you can see, which word do you think is starting with a big letter? Here is same word, do, but which one do you think? Okay, this one, that's correct. Do, so I delete that one and put it here. Do, okay? Do. Now, what would be the next? Do you, that's correct. Do you, you is deleted from here. Do you and put right here. Do you, okay, do you. What's the next? What's the next from here? Do you, okay, have. Now we'll completely delete the word have. I have. Or you can say do you and then have, put the have here. long hair? And then the answer is, yes, I do. With that girl a while ago, she does have a long hair. So now you can practice. Let's read together. In 3, 2, 1. Do you have brown hair? The answer is, yes, I do. I don't have legs. I have big teeth. And then the question, do you have long hair? Yes, I do. So now you're able to practice with this. Let's look at our classwork of the day. For the classwork right here, we need to read and understand what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is the classwork. I divided it into two parts. This part at the top right here and the next part. Now, we will begin with the part at the top. So, the instruction is you have to read the whole phrase here or paragraph, and then draw a picture right here in the space provided in your worksheet, and then color. After you read, you draw and color, but the color should be based on what we can read right here in this paragraph. So now, are you ready? Example, I draw this picture right here, a so beautiful picture of a boy. He's smiling and looking at someone. Now, all you've got to do is to look at the color of, or to observe what words used as adjective for the colors of parts of the body. Okay? So let's read. My name's Moppy. Okay, ready, go. My name's Moppy. I have green eyes. What else? I have purple hair on the head and eyebrows. What color? Purple. I don't have red teeth. So not red, they're white. They are white, or they're white. I don't have brown ears. They're pink. What's the color of the ears? Pink. My tummy is right down here. Tummy. And, okay, my tummy, where's the tummy? My tummy is blue, color blue. My hands and feet are too. It means to say that hands, tummy, and feet should be blue. So let's look at discover one more time. Ready? What color for the eyes? Green. So you can look at the eyes right here. You color them green. What's next? I have purple hair and eyebrows. Hair and eyebrows should be purple. Then about the teeth, what color? White teeth. So you don't have to color anything on the teeth because they're white. Next, I don't have brown ears. Ear in this side, ear on the other side, cannot see. I don't have brown ears. They are pink. So pink ear. Then tummy, what's the color? Blue tummy, right here, blue. And then hands and feet. So I already have showed you what different parts of the body here to be colored with specific colors that I've shown you on the screen. Now let's go to the next part. Next part, complete an answer about you. This is your personal, okay? So you may answer it individually. Ask, complete the question and answer for yourself. Example, do you have pink hair? No, there's no such pink hair unless you go to the shop, salon, for your hair to be colored. So no, I don't. N-O-I and then D-O up and apostrophe T. So you have the answers right here for the questions. And right here below, you just have to complete the questions by looking at the grammar structure right here at the top. The question should always begin with, do you have? So, do you have, and then adjectives are already here, and then parts of the body are already here. So, all you've got to do is to complete the word do you have. Do you have? Do you have? Okay? So, that's your activity today. And that's it. I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure to finish this worksheet because on our next video, we will be checking your work. Okay, and that's all for today. I hope you enjoy our class and bye-bye.